I'm in Boston today where they've got a massive gay pride parade, which I was lucky enough to sort of have a bit of a muck around with, and it sort of gave me an idea of how much of a huge place it holds in American history. It's probably one of the most famous of all was the Boston Tea Party, where people destroyed a shipment of British tea and poured it into the waters. You might be wondering why. Well, there's far better people out there to answer that, but to put it simply, they felt like they weren't in control over their own destiny. There was a famous phrase at the time which was taxation without representation. And that's because they had to pay the British, but they didn't get to say in how their own lives are being run. And at the end of the day, that's what all of us want, to feel like we have control over our own lives. It's probably the #1 reason why I and many other people started their own business. Now for me, it's gone better than I expected, which I'm very grateful for, but I knew it was the right decision from day one. And you have to work harder and often more stressful than working for a company, but nothing can replace that amazing feeling that you get from choosing your own path. For better or for worse, I'm able to handle the bad days much easier when I know that it was my choice to make that decision, to make that mistake that got me there. And when things go well, there's really no better feeling than that of the sense of achievement. So I'm not screaming, go and pour tea all over your boss's floor and scream revolution, but there is something magical about running your own company. Now I'm going to go enjoy the festivities, grab a beer and see what else is out there, maybe go pour some tea in a river.